In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI model with Higgsfield. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to turn a single image into a ready-to-use character model, along with a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open your browser and go to the Higgsfield website. Using a recent version of Chrome, Edge, or Safari on desktop will give you the most consistent experience. Once the homepage loads, look at the top navigation bar and click Character. That takes you to the area dedicated to building character models from images. On the character page, click Create Character. This opens the creation flow and brings up the panel where you'll provide the image that the model will learn from. If you don't immediately see the upload controls, give the page a moment to finish loading. The interface is straightforward. Your image preview appears on the left, actions on the right, and status messages along the bottom. Next, click Upload. A file picker will appear. Choose a clear, well-lit image and click Open to confirm your selection. For best results, use a high-resolution JPG or PNG where the subject's face is centered, eyes are visible, and there's minimal motion blur. When choosing an image, keep shoulders and the top of the head in frame, avoid extreme angles, and skip heavy sunglasses. Natural, even light near a window works well. Avoid heavy filters, busy backgrounds, or watermarks, and only use images you have the right to upload. After you've picked the file, click Upload in the interface to send it to Higgsfield. You may see a brief progress indicator. Larger files take longer. A stable internet connection helps here. Wait for the upload to finish and for a preview to appear. If the upload button is disabled, give it a second. Processing must complete before you continue. When the preview looks correct, click Create. Higgsfield will generate your character model based on the image you provided. This step can take a moment as the system analyzes features and builds a consistent representation. Keep the tab open until you see confirmation that creation is complete. If anything fails, try a slightly smaller image, double-check the format, or refresh the page and repeat the same steps. That's it. You went to the Higgsfield site, opened the character section, started a new character, uploaded your image, confirmed the upload, and created the model. With your character model generated, you're ready to use it wherever Higgsfield supports characters in your projects. Thanks for following along, and if you found this helpful, replay any section to review the exact clicks.